Amazing, generous partner. This is how I see you as a partner. I am extremely honored to have been invited and allowed to visit Mershad. My experience is I'm blown away. I'm blown away by the people and by the talent and by the quality of the products.
Yes.
All products that I've seen in the showroom are extremely good quality, and you can tell that they have been made with care and a lot of attention. So I'm extremely pleased. I'm happy and very grateful. I'm not too sure actually. It's maybe the number of people,
The number of
the
people.
size of the industry in Vietnam and with Merchandise. I think that's really what surprises me the most. Is how many people and the equipment and the logistics it takes. Yeah, I'm blown away. It's huge. It's really huge. I understand how Merchandise made it to the top 10 on the Forbes list, top 10 print-on-demand suppliers. I understand now. You don't understand until you see it. Amazing, generous partner. This is how I see you as a partner.